of the biggest mistakes you ever make as a beginner content creator is thinking only your lighting setup is enough for how quality and how well your videos will come out. The power of color grading cannot be overemphasized on how well and how perfect your videos will come out. If you want to post quality and eye-catching videos, then you definitely need to start color grading your videos. If you are just seeing me for the first time, hello guys, my name is Mudupe, and on this channel I dish out editing tips for beginner content creator and also how to make money online. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
To
And
color
that's it.
grade your video, import your video on CapCut, then come down here to click on retouch. That's the first thing you'll be doing. Click on retouch, then click on face. After clicking on face, you go to this smooth. So we are using this to smoothen our face. So most times I use between 15 to 20 because I don't want to apply it too much. After that, you move to this skin tone. I always like to give myself a warm skin tone, so I pick this third one. I would like to say that this whole thing depends on your preference because there are different shades of skin tone. So just pick the one that suits your skin color. After that, next thing you'll be going to is this adjust. Click on the adjust, and that's where we are going to be doing majority of our color grading. So there are three parts in this section. We have the filter, adjust, and video quality. If you move to this filter part, you see different filters you can add to your video. So it depends on the filter you pick. Any filter you pick will change the whole outlook of your video. You just experiment this whole thing. You are the owner of your video, and it is you that knows how you want your video to come out. So you can pick any of the filter you want. So I'll be picking this clear 2 at this landscape side for my own video. After that, move to adjust, and that's where the whole trick happens. If you click on this brightness, it's going to increase the brightness of your video. So if you filmed in a very dark place, you might want to use that. I'm not going to add so much to my video. So the next thing is the contrast. So this contrast actually works on any dark color. If you increase it, it's going to increase the dark color on you. If you reduce it, it's going to do the opposite. So I'm just going to increase it a bit for my video. So the next option is saturation. So if you increase it, this is what it's going to do to your video. So I'm just going to add like 3 on this my video. The next one is brightness. So this brightness works on the background of your video. Increase it, it's going to make your background very bright, but I'm not going to make it too bright, so I'm going to leave it as 10. The next option is sharpen. So I'm going to be increasing it to 100. Unlike other apps, the sharpen in CapCut is not too harsh. The next one is clarity, and I just like to add just a bit to my video, say 10 to 15. Can you already see how my video has been transformed already? And I would like to say that there's no one way to this thing. So there's actually no template on how you are going to color grade your video. The amount of lighting or exposure I have in my video will be different from yours. So just try your thing. The good thing about it is as you're applying all this effect, you'll be seeing the results. The next option I use here is the highlight. If you move it to the negative side, it will reduce the exposure of your video. And if you increase it, it will increase the exposure of your video. Can you see it? So for this my video, I'm just going to increase it a bit. I'm going to leave it at 5. The next one is shadow. So if you bring it to the negative side, it's going to give a very good contrast between you and your background. And if you move it to the positive side, it's going to reduce the contrast. So I'm just going to leave mine at this negative 5. So the next one is white. If you move to the positive side, it brightens any white or bright color on your video. And if you move to the negative side, it does the opposite. So I'm going to leave mine at -5 because I don't want my video to be too bright. So the next one is black, and what it does basically is the opposite of white. So I'm not going to be adding too much on my video. I'm just going to be putting it at say 3. The next one is temperature, and what this does basically is it affects the background of your video. Can you see this cool tone that it gives my background? If I move it to the positive side, it gives it this warm tone. I'm going to be leaving it at 0 because I don't want to change the tone of my background. The last one we'll be talking about here is the vignette. This option affects the edges of your video. So if you move it to the negative side, it's going to give white edges to your video. And if you move it to the positive side, it will give you these dark edges. So I'm just going to add a bit to this my video. If you move to this video quality part, you are going to see these options. Because I film in 4K, this image quality does not have any effect on my video. Then I also move this reduce image noise to strong. Those are the only 2 things settings I always add to my video. After everything from this section, click on OK and you are done. I also like to edit the lighting in my background with this relight option. Now I'm not going to be talking about it because there's a video already where I talked extensively on how to change the background color of your video.
And that's it guys, that is how to color grade your videos. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share and also subscribe to my channel so that you see my videos anytime I post. See you in my next video. Bye guys.